What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be removing the inside door panel on my 89 Jeep Comanche. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. You need a smaller one up here, and you need a pretty good size for these two in the armrest. Let's say a little screwdriver or pry bar. That's going to be to get the window crank off. I do a video on that I'm going to have up. The order you do this are remove these 3 screws here, pop this off. There's going to be 2 clips you have to remove, and I'll show you guys that. You got 2 screws in the bottom of the armrest. Pull that off, twist it, and it'll pull straight out. Pretty easy after that, so let's get started. Okay, so here we are. We have the 2 screws out of the armrest. We'll pull that straight off, turn her down, and it pulls straight off there. And make sure you throw your screws on the ground where you'll never find them again. That's the armrest. Once we get the armrest off, we can just pop this out. And we do want to be careful here. There are going to be these 2 clips in here. How can I do this? We will have to pry these off of the rod, so these ones will swing out. If I can do this on camera, I will be very surprised. Doesn't take too much force. Also doesn't take too much force to break it. Once you pry that off, you can just slide this up. That's one. The top is the opposite. And then this handle will just pull out. So here's a better look at this. It's pretty universal across most domestic trucks for tailgates, handles, and all that. So just gotta pry this piece off, and then the rod will slide up and out. Top one is the opposite, gotta go down. So that's the handle. Next step is to pull the actual panel off. On the bottoms, you gotta pull them out. That sounded like that broke. Work your way up to the top. And then this should be the last one up about this handle here. Across the bottom. Again, you get up to the top here. Once the panel is swinging out, you just lift it straight up and out. 2 hands, give me 1 sec. And once you pop that out of the way here, if you're doing your speakers, 4 screws here, and there's a tab you just have to pry off. If you are removing the outside door handle, you pop this grommet off and peel this back, and then I believe through this hole with the window wound up are 2 10mm nuts, and there will be a clip similar to the one on this handle where you have to pry that keeper off and slot the rod out. And then to do your mirror, you have your 1 screw here. You'll peel this off, whether it's manual or electric. There will be some wires and a pigtail you have to disconnect. Then you just squeeze some tabs, 3 screws, pull your mirror off. That's how you do that. Putting it all back together, usually easier, but just follow the reverse of what you just did. So that's how you do that, and thanks for watching, guys.